This is called topic number 3, change of subject, medium level. The first example, make x the subject of the formula 5x equal to 3 times bracket x plus 4y. So let's copy down the formula 5x equal to 3 times x plus 4y. We need to change x to be the subject. First of all, we see that there's a bracket, so we need to expand it by rainbow method. So 3 times x, which is 3x, plus 3 times positive 4y, which is positive 12y. On the left hand side, which is 5x. Now we want to make x be the subject, so we need to group the terms including x together. So we need to move 3x to the left hand side. 5x on the left hand side, we just copy it down. We move the term 3x to the other side, change sign, change operation. Because on the right hand side, the relationship between 3x and 12y is addition. So we do the inverse subtraction when we move to the other side. So 5x minus 3x equal to 12y is left on the right hand side. 5x minus 3x, we can take out the common factor x, and inside the bracket should be 5 minus 3. Right hand side should be 12y. On the left hand side, 5 minus 3, which is 2 times x. On the right hand side, 12y. So we have, because we want x to be the subject, we need to change the coefficients of x to be 1. So we need to divide it by 2 on both sides. 2x divided by 2, 12y divided by 2. 2 and 2 can be cancelled, so x is left on the left hand side. 12 and 2 can be cancelled, which 1 left, 6 is left, so on the right hand side should be 6y. That's it. Let's look at the second example. Make x the subject of the formula ax equal to bracket 4x plus b times c. So copy down the formula ax equal to bracket 4x plus b times c. We want to make x the subject. So first of all, we need to expand the bracket by rainbow method. C times 4x give us 4xc. And c times b, which is positive bc. On the left hand side, which is ax. Because we want x be the subject, so we group the terms including x together. So on the left hand side, which is ax, we want to move 4xc on the right hand side to the left hand side. So change sign, change operation. Here is addition. When you change to the left hand side, should be subtraction. Minus 4xc. On the right hand side should be bc is left. Now, because there are more than one term including x, so we're taking out the common factor x, and a is left for the first term, and 4c is left for the second term, negative 4c. So on right hand side, which is bc, and here on the left hand side, the bracket multiplied by x equal to bc. So if we want to move the bracket to the other side, we change the sign, change operation. Here is multiplication, so you change to division. Divide by the whole bracket on both sides. Divided by a minus 4c equal to bc divided by a minus 4c. So a minus 4c can be cancelled on the left hand side, so x is left, and on the right, which is bc over a minus 4c. That's it. X is the subject now. Example 3. Make alpha the subject of the formula x equal to alpha plus beta over 2. So let's copy down the formula first. X equal to the sum of alpha and beta, and then divided by 2. So we see a denominator, so we remove the denominator first. When we move the denominator to the left hand side, change sign, change operation. Denominator means division, so we need to do multiplication. So 2 times x on the left hand side, 2 times the right hand side. 2 and 2 can be cancelled on the right hand side, so right hand side will be alpha plus beta. And on the left hand side, which is 2x, we want alpha be the subject, so we need to move positive beta to the left hand side. Change sign, change operation. This is addition. When we change to the left hand side, become subtraction. So 2x minus beta equal to alpha. Therefore, the subject alpha equal to 2x minus beta. That's it. The last example for the medium level. Make u the subject of the formula t equal to s over u minus 3. So let's copy down the formula first. T equal to s over u minus 3. We want u be the subject. And we see there's a denominator in the formula, so we move the denominator to the other side first. So division, change sign, change operation. So we multiply u minus 3 on both sides. U minus 3 times t. U minus 3 times the things on the right hand side. So u minus 3 can be cancelled on the right hand side. So s is left. And on the left hand side, which is, we can expand it by rainbow method. T times u, which is ut. T times 3. T times negative 3, which is negative 3t. And then we need to keep the term including u on one side. So we want to move negative 3t to the right hand side. Change sign, change operation. So ut is left on the left hand side, and move negative 3t to the right hand side become positive 3t. And we want to make u be the subject, so we need to divide it by t on both sides. So ut divided by t, and s plus 3t on the right hand side divided by t. T and t can be cancelled, so u is left. Now u is the subject. The subject equal to s plus 3t over t. That's it.